Hi guys, I'm back. It's been like a week. I haven't got any ideas in this game, but I've just thought of one. You may not like it, but let there be light. Done. Lighting's rubbish in this room. I'm going to do a Nerf gun review. It's also on the title below. There. So let me just give you my Nerf guns. They're going to get more intense as we go on. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Firstly, my best friend of all, the Jolt. The Jolt is awesome. That's all I need to say. Just watch it. Watch it go. Ready? This tiny thing. Do you see it? I don't know if you saw it, but I don't know. It's awesome. Recommend it. Okay, next one. Come on. This strong arms. I've got two of these because I bought one for a friend, so I can have a Nerf that way. But they're awesome. Ready? Will you hear the impact? Ready? It's not a blaster. It's under £20, so I'll get it. If you got two, you can just be anchor though. Just a quick show of all of them. Okay, we got next one is over here though. I've got to make this quick. Don't have enough room on my storage. Quick. Right. Damn. We're going down the week. I think it's a really good blaster, but everybody else thinks it's rubbish. This. It's a good blaster. What? How do you help? It's a really good blaster, okay? My word. Hold on a minute, let me find the bullet. It's right. Oh, it's right here. Ready? It's an awesome blaster. It's also modded as well. So that's even good, would it? Don't tell me that's not good. It's good. Okay. Next one. Getting a bit more intense. I need to move this one. The biggest one. Okay. This is like two strong arms in one. I can't explain it, guys. It's awesome. I had no bullets in it. It shot bloody over the edge. I probably lost 7 over there, but because of our Nerf battle yesterday. Let me just show you. I've got plenty of bullets down here. Look, bullet. Ready? You guys see? Pretty good. Okay, next one. This one looks a bit quicker. So what? I'd say this one's the next best. Do they tell you here? This is literally a sniper. I know my friend Dylan has one, I think he does. Is it? I don't know. Ready? Ready? That needs to go good. There's one more. There's one more. Let's see. Ready? So good sniper, it goes pretty far. Okay? Let me move in the next one. There's a monster 2 in 1. I can't show you these bullets. There's getting some bits off the ends, some little wingy bits. What do I call them, wingy bits? I'm just going to show you right now how it shoots. It travels quite a bit, so it's not the best, but it shoots far and it shoots really good. It's going to make a lot of noise. It's really far. Shooting in the air, probably go 100 feet up. No joke. Actually, I don't know my measurements. School hope. School hope. And now, my last one. Raise the volume on your iPad if you think it's too little. Because I've been pretty quiet this video. Come on. Ooh. Oh my baby Jesus. I just bought this one yesterday for £30. Fun fact, I went to Smith's, I picked up one of these, the box dropped on the floor, I thought I broke it, tried to swap it out, but one said 35, when this one was 30. Mind blown. I'll stick with this one. It works very good. Let's do it. Are you ready? Let me show you. It's got 24 bullets. I don't have any gun that shows that much. It's unbelievable. Let me guess, is that what? I've shot one round already. You have to be around though. So that will do for my video. My Nerf gun reviews. This one's my favourite. Bought it yesterday. Epic. So that's it really. See you in the next video. Next week. Joking. Probably in 2 days. Okay. See you later guys. Bye. Comment down below what was your favourite one. I bet it's going to be this Beauty and the Beast. I actually saw that movie with my friend. Oh, it was not bad. Okay, see you guys. Comment down below what's your favourite. Okay, bye. Donator, Realiator, that's my pet. Demolisher, for electric, for 2 barrels, or the bill. That's the bill. Or the jolt. My favourite is jolt. Yeah. One thing, the jolt is completely separate. Also, it's mega fast, so I can also do tricks with it. Be fancy and do that. You can go like that. This is my review, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. This video might be too long, but let's see. Bye.